This past week, I've built my Portfolio website, and it's not just any kind of Portfolio website, it's a Macfolio, that is MacBook style Portfolio. When you open this website, you're taken to the home screen where you see this beautiful animation which says, "Hey, I'm Prithvi, welcome to my Portfolio." You have a working nav bar at the top which has the important folders and resume. It also shows the current date and time just like any laptop. Then you have these icons at the bottom that take you to different sections or folders. The Portfolio, which opens the file manager. The articles takes you to the blog section. You must have noticed we can move these different folder windows as well. That is, they are draggable. This was possible using the GSAP draggable plugin. The gallery, which takes you to the gallery. Here, you can open the photos as well. Then, you have the contact section, which gives you the links to my socials. The skills section, which is designed like a terminal, which showcases my tech stack. And at last, there's the trash, which you cannot open from here, but if you go to the file manager, you can visit the recycle bin or trash from here. In the file manager, you have the side panel to access different sections and the window showcasing what is inside each section. Isn't that cool? In work, you have the top 4 projects that I've built. You can check out its image, read the description of the website, and even go to the live website. Then you have the About section, which has some more images of me and also a brief description. Then you have the resume, where you can view the resume as well as download it. I have not kept my original resume here, as my original resume contains all my contact details like my email ID as well as my phone number. And this website is hosted live, so anyone can get those details. Hence, I've uploaded a dummy resume here. And then there is the trash, which has images of some boring Portfolio websites. I don't know if you've noticed, but the windows can come on top of each other when clicked on them. That is, they have a priority. Also, on the home screen, you can see my projects, which you can directly access from here. You can move these folders as well. Usually, all my projects are responsive and work on mobile phones similarly as they work on desktops. This website works on mobile screens, but the animations are specifically designed for desktop screens. So, if you open this website on a mobile phone, you'll see this message that says, "This Portfolio is designed for desktop or tablet screens only." So, if you want to experience this cool website, you can check it out from a tablet or a desktop. As usually, you can find the link to this website in my link tree. So, that was the whole website. Now, I'm going to explain a few concepts that will be only for people who are in tech and who understand web development and people who are in cybersecurity. So, I was trying to understand the code base of this project and I came across a concept that made me do, "Oh." I've used GSAP animations in this website, and as you can see, whenever I hover over an icon, it goes upward. But when I checked in the code base, it says y equals -15. Now, when it's -15, it should have gone down, right? Because that's what we learned in school about the x and y axis on a graph in maths. So I tried changing it to +15, but now it went down instead of up. I was wondering, why is it working the opposite way than a normal math coordinate system? So I asked ChatGPT and I found out that in browsers, GSAP, DOM, etc., the x-axis is the same like math coordinate system, but the y-axis is opposite. As in a browser or DOM, there is document object model, we design or code line by line and go downwards. So in browsers, the positive y-axis is downwards and the negative y-axis is upwards. That's why when I said -15 to the y-coordinate in the GSAP, it went up. Isn't that a good concept? If you like this concept, I've got one more for you. In anchor tags, we use href to direct to the link. We use target equals _ blank to open the link in the new tab. For example, when I click on this, the link opens up in a new tab. But in the anchor tag, what is this? Rel equals no opener, no referer. Well, this is something that helps with the security of the website. Whenever we use href and target equals _ blank, the new tab gets access to the original tab via JavaScript. This access happens through window.opener. And this is where the problem starts, and hackers or attackers can use a method called tab nabbing to attack your website. The attacker can target this newly opened tab and do this window.opener.location equals to a phishing site. A phishing site is a dangerous website used to steal your data. So what NoOpener does is it prevents access to the window.opener. The new tab cannot access the original tab and it stops reverse tab nabbing completely. And what does noReferer do? It prevents the referer header. This way, the destination site won't know where the user came from. It improves privacy and also disables window.opener. You can ask ChatGPT this question to understand the concept in more detail and take your time understanding it. So those were the two concepts I wanted you to know about. That's it for this video. This is about Prithvi, signing off.